Bayshore Inn, a historic, what is it, hotel? So they have real brass keys. We're at room 210. Would you like to help me open the door? No. Did it work? Okay, here we are. So we have a suite. Let's just take a look. We have a kitchen with granite. We like that. It's very spacious. Got a pretty wreath. I like that. What do we have here? We have a shower, towels, a nice mirror, and we have, this is a bedroom. Cute. It connects to an outdoor patio. And we've got a main area over here. Okay, so this is the living room area. Got a big screen TV. I don't know if that's a big screen anymore, but this also connects to the patio. You've got a beautiful water view. Here's the other room. This is the main bedroom. So this also connects to the patio. Got huge mirrors. And then this has its own bathroom. And big old jetted tub. Historic Ephraim Door County artwork. Ephraim, I never know how to say it right. Shower. Okay, we've got a few little closets, little TV in here, and I believe there's a pull-out bed. Closet. Look at this. We've got a little fireplace. I didn't notice that before. We got stools. Got a cool clock. There's a lot of cute artwork around here. I was wondering when I was in here what this door is. I don't know if this is just a supplies cabinet. This might be. Oh, it can go to that room. So this can go through to this bedroom here if you want. And then we've got another little cabinet. Oh, this is owner's closet here. So these are, I guess these are condos. We reserve through the main front desk. We're gonna go check it outside now. Okay, so this is the exciting part. Look at that view. That is Sturgeon Bay. Gorgeous. sitting here on my deck, and I'm gonna walk over there to the other building. where the indoor pool and hot tub are, and I'm gonna get change for the laundry. You see those birds way out there? It's real rough, and there's two birds. Another couple pelicans.